Log in the Livpure Smart website or mobile app. After placing your order, you will be redirected to eKYC page. Select the desired identification document from the following options. As per government guidelines, Livpure Smart does not accept Aadhaar card as identification or address proof. Next, you need to submit address proof. Livpure Smart accepts the following documents for address verification. If you are providing a rental address proof, you may submit your landlord's electricity, water bill, car RC or any identification proof as address proof along with your photo ID proof. Submit the eKYC. Livpure Smart will initiate the online verification process. After successful verification, Livpure Smart will proceed with the delivery of your chosen product, which may take 2 to 3 days for processing. In some cases, it may take up to 5 days. You do not need to provide any physical identification documents at the time of delivery or installation. For any inquiries regarding eKYC, post relocation, or any other questions, please feel free to contact us.